how the education system and the church, and ngikhuluma kanje nami ngumKristu. But comrade, isonto the way amabhuna zengalo ayenza ukuthi thina retlaphila hantle ha re seri likapa. But bona baphethile heaven kamo on the basis of taking our land, on the basis of repossessing our diamond and gold. They've created mahwa basheba baphila in heaven. Rona we live in hell. And then they say our heaven. So and then that's why kadikereketsa tsa rona re shapa pina ye dumela fela. So that is the kind of Christianity ever said this thing or retaimer. Liskolo he. Those are the people who left the black identity and joined Abelu. I'm a coconuts. The original coconuts who went to the schools of colonialists. You see, comrades, oppression needs you to believe in it. So once you believe in oppression, they don't have to put you in jail. You will do those things when I'm waku. Lekhua sarisa mutu ke lekhua. Umlungu kungcono kuphatha abantu bakhuluma manje bathi kungcono kuphatha umlungu again. Yilokho abantu bakithi bavotele iDA kodwa inhlangano yabamhlophe bathathe umhlaba wethu. So the education system, comrades, is like if a cat educates rats, amagundwana. Angithi ikati lidla amagundwana. But lithatha igundwana lisifaka isikolo. Igundwana ligcina licabanga ukuthi lona liyikati. Malibona ikati liya kukati lobona umngane walo. Ikati bese yalibamba yalidla yenza lunch ngayo. Nathi ke comrades, the education system that we got is exactly that. Umuntu onganaso isikolo completely ungcono kunalofundile eSouth Africa. Because mawufunda ufunda isystem yabelungu. And ugcina usebenza labelungu, ugcina udefender abelungu. So that is why I'm saying abelungu babefika la basinikeza isikolo, basinikeza inkolo, the belief system. Steve Biko ke comrades, why umKristu naye? But he then said we must have what we call black theology. So we must have a fighting God. We must accept a black God. And our God must be at war with the white God, so that we can get liberation through our prayers. When we pray, we must pray to our God to defeat the white God. We must pray to our God to give us strength to defeat these white satans who arrived here. No dromedaries, no reichers, no Goedewolf. Our prayer as Umkhonto weSizwe must be militant. And we must not be afraid to talk to God. God, why are we oppressed for so long? Where are you, God? Now is your time to stand up, our God, so that we can see liberation, so that we can see that you are there and you love us. Kudala sihlupheka Thixo wethu. Ixesha loThixo ngoku. Afike azibonakalise. And masithandazele uThixo sinika amandla oyazi inyaniso yoba izwe lathathwa kuthi elilizwe lizwe lethu. That is the kind of theology Steve Biko teaches us. He was a Christian, but he says we must observe black theology. That says, Masesondweni, we're going to pray to defeat the enemy here on earth. Not masesifika nayo. Now comrades, abelungu ngale education system yabo bakhetha lamabhulu amnyama. Lamabhulu amnyama
they run things on behalf of the colonialists. Steve Biko babiza ama 9 whites. Utatu Zuma ubabiza ama clever blacks. And ama clever blacks are dangerous kakhulu. Because they are black like me and you. They get good education. Bakhuluma kakhulu baza nama facts sometimes. And manga balalela abo black penwell, the black pen abantu abanjalo nje. Manga mlalela cabanga ukuthi hey uyashaya makafika ngale uyayijika. The enemy sewumuntu omnyama. Akayifuni iBE, akayifuni affirmative action. Usupport abo AfriForum. Kodwa he claims to be educating our people. So we need to be able to see those people and able to see a system. Comrades, if we are not able to understand how mental slavery works, we are not going to be able to liberate ourselves. We are not going to know who's the enemy. He knows we love soccer as black people. And Ubabu Zuma ebesefaka umzabalazo ukuthi iStellenbosch mafia inkinga, iStellenbosch mafia is the enemy educating the nation. iStellenbosch mafia uJohan Rupert uthanda isoccer team uyibiza ngeStellenbosch. Uyifaka ku very professional league. Abantu abamnyama base Stellenbosch naseKapa basupport iStellenbosch FC. Nabanye ke laba bathi iyadlala iStellenbosch nibonile. So there, comrades, a very clever thing has happened. uJohan Rupert has normalized himself by using the thing that we love so that we forget that he's the enemy we must fight. That is how they work, comrades. They use everything. Everything. That's why we must be so careful. Into esizithandayo mele sibheke ukuthi are not used against us. Just like this Johan Rupert is using soccer to make sure that it's normalized. Asabonde eStellenbosch mafia. Akusakhulunywa ngoJohan Rupert o thathe economy yethu and ulusu Babu Zuma. So comrades, the enemy uses many tactics. Ngesikhathi se-feudalism, to just give you an example, ukuthi abantu aba-oppressed bagcina bebhiliva ku-system of-oppression. Ngesikhathi se-feudalism, bebethi the king is the representative of God on earth. Bese kuba nama-lords, kuba ne-clergy. I-clergy ke leyo epreachayo ukuthi ama-serfs, laba abaphansi, those who are below, work for free for landlords, ama-landlords, abaphethe umhlaba. Baye esontweni eli-1, in that church, it is preached that the king is a representative of God. The clergy is here to make sure that you know where you stand. The landlords hold the land. Nina niyasebenza. People believe in that system. If you are born as a serf, you go to church and they preach that. You accept your position as a serf, that where now you are here to work for free for the landlord. Because that's what the church says. So that is an ideological system that makes you accept your oppression. Now democracy in South Africa also operates in the same way. Abamhlophe comrades basebenzisa democracy to make sure ukuthi umhlaba ngeke ubuye. Abamhlophe today bakhetha ama-political parties amaningi. Ndithiwa Msholozi ethi we must unite. Because we black majority. Comrades, it is shocking. Yes, it is shocking. Thina abantu omnyama in South Africa were 80% of the population. Ama-Afrika nje. Siqindezela abantu abayi less than 10 million. Thina si almost 50 million. Siqindezela abantu abayi less than 10 million. How is that possible? For over 300 years, this minority, and mabefika ke qala befika, Jan van Riebeeck, bafike la befew kakhulu. Futhi nje, they were scary ridden, they were a diseased and weak. Thina ngobuntu bethu, we fed them, we gave them water, we made them healthy. Mabaqeda belungu bashaya. And then the big problem that we have as Africans, we must solve now, ngomkhonto wesizwe, yile division. Abelungu comrades baqala balwa nabathwa eWestern Cape. AmaXhosa, they knew about this, did not come and help abathwa. AmaXhosa fought abelungu for 100 years. AbaZulu, AbaSuthu, AbaPedi, they must have heard that AmaXhosa ayalwa ngabelungu. They did not send armies down there to go and make sure that we defeat these people. Baqeda ngamaXhosa, baqeda ngamaZulu, bakhuphuka baqeda ngamaVenda, baqeda ngabeSuthu, sabe sonke we are oppressed. We must not allow that system to occur again. We must not allow it divide and rule. That is why kumele siwaqede amaqembu epolitiki kuba neqembu elilodwa umkhonto wesizwe, so that we can all unite under a revolutionary party that is going to take us to liberation. Mele sifunde, comrades, how we were defeated. Mele sifunde how we were defeated and how they are using the same system of divide and rule. Now, we also about those things, comrades. So we must sit down and have a session to look at what happened around the state capital. And then we must also deal with this issue that President Zuma is the most corrupt person. You know, comrades, Googling just a little bit, you'll find that unomlungu kuthi uMgavin Watson lo webusasa kuthiwa washona ehamba on the airport. Kunomlungu before that kuthiwa nguBrad Keppel bathi wa-organize ukuthi adutshulwe. Kunalomlungu kuthiwa nguMarcus Jooste, isigebengu esikhulu kakhulu ke leso. uMarcus Jooste kuthiwa uzibulele. I-evidence babonise a picture on a rock with a little bit of blood. A penguin, that was a penguin that was killed there. But uMarcus Jooste uzibulele. But akuna nefuneral. But our government does nothing about that. Now, Kunalomlungu, the biggest Ponzi scheme guy, othatha imali more than 64 billion rand, uthwa ushonile na eBrazil. Bayashona nje labelungu. But akunangcwabo. Akuna nebhodi kwakhona. And we must believe that. So we need to deal with those questions. We must also deal with, educate one another about defending Stellenbosch mafia like Johan Rupert and the Oppenheimers. So, comrades, we must be clear which families own South Africa. Abaphi labelungu aba own South Africa. And lesifundisane in details ukuthi how much do they own of South Africa? So that when we engage abantu bakuthi, we're able to explain why we're fighting these people. We need to also deal with the propaganda of white-owned media. How to read that propaganda, how to analyze it, and how to be able to dismiss it. Because these are the ideological processes to attack our minds, to make sure they turn away from the revolutionary process, but they support abelungu. Comrades, let me now just turn to the great idea by Comrade Sope In Parliament, there, comrade, we are going to bring the land question back. We know that badlale ngayo, bakhuluma nje ngayo, they are not serious about addressing it. Umkhonto wesizwe is going to bring land expropriation without compensation back to Parliament. And we are going to do two things, comrades, in that process. Because we are a revolutionary movement. We are not a parliamentary movement. We just use parliament to agitate for the revolutionary process. The revolution happens outside of parliament. We must use the resources of parliament to support the revolutionary process outside of parliament. Thina singaphandle la, comrades, we must be so organized so that our people, when they are in trouble, they call upon Umkhonto wesizwe. Now, on the land thing, we're going to do two things. First, comrades, abelungu ababulala abantu bakuthi. Just like those ones who have killed those two black women and fed their bodies to the pigs, that land, that farm must be expropriated without compensation. Ubaba uhlophe uthi, remember that was a big judge. Ubaba uhlophe uthi umthetho South Africa manginesibhamu ngokudubula ngaleso sibhamu umthetho uyasithatha uyasexpropriate ungifake ejele. Now if I'm using my land to kill people, the same must apply. That land must be taken and I must go to jail. And we say that land must be given to the families of these white farmers have killed. So we must agitate and organize to take the matter to court. But comrades, we're a revolutionary movement. Ourselves must organize to occupy those farms so that the court process follows the reality we have created on the ground by expropriating those farms without compensations ourselves. Manje sesiconfront system directly. We're going to use parliament, but we're also going to use mass action outside of parliament. We must use both things, comrades. We can't just sit there in parliament and talk. Sibe talk shop. Kodwa ngaphandle singayenzi. We must push the revolutionary agenda both inside parliament and outside parliament. I call that the Sope option. I call that the Sope option, where he says, abelungu besibulala, okanye besihlukumeza on a farm. They have committed a crime, and therefore their right to that land does no longer exist. Just like, as I said, if I use a gun to shoot you, that gun is expropriated by the state. Let me, in conclusion, come back to our revolutionary home, Umkhonto wesizwe. This is a historical development. This party, which is not a year old, manages to be the third highest party in terms of votes in South Africa, despite the fact that bawatshontshile ama-votes wethu. They stole our votes, these people, and they must still account, we must still fight for those votes. But comrades, we must pat ourselves on the back that we are the third largest party and the official opposition in parliament today. Umkhonto wesizwe is facing GNU. GNU represents the enemy. Umkhonto wesizwe has organized a progressive caucus in parliament, where all the progressive organizations come together to fight the GNU. But we as Umkhonto wesizwe must now start working hard for 2026. All the mayors in the metros must be Umkhonto wesizwe mayors in 2026. All the mayors in small towns must be Umkhonto wesizwe mayors. Comrades, we must take over. And remember, comrades, imali ayikho ku-national parliament, imali ila kuma-municipality. Kulaba tshontsha khona, kulaba hwipileze khona. We must come and stop that thing and make sure that money goes to where it's supposed to go. Umkhonto wesizwe kumele uzoqeda corruption. You know those brothers and sisters abangama council. All of a sudden sakaqhuba imoto engaka. But lo muntu nxa ujonga iholo lakhe alimnikezi lo mali. Bayasuka elokishini bayohlala edrobhini. Also when you look at how much they earn and how much they spend, akuhlangani. So they are sponsoring their lives through corruption. They have systematized the corruption. So when they go into local government, they go there to steal. Umkhonto wesizwe mele uyoyigqiba lo yonto. Sifike kula party esumbali says muketi wa dikati. So gqiba lo muketi wa dikati. Sifake inyani, sisebenzele isizwe. Comrades, we must be like Jacob Zuma. We must love our people. We must be brave. We must be smart and sharp. And we must know how to play the enemy. Ubaba uZuma udlala chess ngabelungu. Bare bamthwara kamo, utswa kamo. Bare bakwala kamo, utswa kamo. Today unali party number 3 kabuhulu in parliament. Abelungu abasayazi ukuthi mele bayenzeni. We must have the same sharpness, but most important thing is to love our people. We cannot steal from our people. We cannot be part of ukuhlukumeza komphakathi. We must be the defenders of our people. When our people think about umkhonto wesizwe, they must think about the first defense system. That is why, comrades, leaders of umkhonto wesizwe, imizi yenu mele ivule iminyango 24/7. Umuntu makazonokha kwakho angadibani nobhova pha inja enkulu kangaka ajike nengxaki umuntu. Our leaders must be accessible to our communities even before you are a councillor, comrades. Don't wait to uzoba a councillor and then you serve our people. We serve our people now. We serve our people now. And amongst us, comrades, as I said, some comrades are selling and so I tell you ame and because they are doing exactly that. Comrade Bayanga, Comrade Tuto, or now. And then Comrade Yapi, the leadership here as a PLF. Now, comrades, let me just tell you something about Lesedi. These comrades there, they've dealt away with parallel structures. Ayikho lento ma parallel structures eLesedi. Akuna ngxabano for ama position eLesedi. That is why eLesedi got 20% of the votes in Gauteng. So, comrades, Riakupa, please, comrades, please, comrades, let us work with the leadership that we have. If we have problems, we must follow proper structures. We must follow proper protocol. We must be disciplined and we must be patient. Let us be like President Zuma. He's a very patient man. Comrades, your time is also coming. You will get where you're supposed to be. The revolutionary process is slow, but it is certain. And the revolutionary process cleanses itself of all the wrongs and all the wrong leadership. Ito ikhayisa comrade. Retlo e bona. and then re tlo tlosa hantle re kenye the real leaders ba tshwantseng gore ba tshware mkhonto ka tsela. Our leaders must follow the way of Mkhonto Wesizwe. When they turn right, they must turn alone. We must not follow them. Haratlela leadership mo. Harili member tadi member mo. Ibile haramemiwa mo. Ritletse ka borona. So, leaders, the most important thing is our movement, Mkhonto Wesizwe. We cannot fail it. We cannot fail Babu Jacob Zuma. We cannot fail the revolution. Now is the time for Mkhonto Wesizwe to take our people out of this Egypt, Kafaro Ramaphosa, to the promised land of milk and honey. Israel too.